Hi, I'm Amy Buckmeyer, one of the staff contact attorneys here at HSLDA. In this video, we'll take a quick tour of Minnesota's homeschool law, so you know where to start as you embark on your homeschool journey. Homeschooling in the state of 10,000 lakes is simple, and Minnesota's Education Code explicitly recognizes that parents are primarily responsible for ensuring that a child acquires the knowledge and skills essential to effective citizenship. Homeschools in Minnesota are considered non-public schools. You create your non-public homeschool by filing an initial report with your local school superintendent. Then, in subsequent years, you simply file a letter of intent to continue homeschooling, noting any changes to your non-public homeschool, such as a new student who has reached compulsory attendance age, or a change in the assessment method you plan to use. You are not required to notify for children after they reach the age of 16 if you filed an initial report before they turn 16. Immunization records are to be submitted with your reports for each child when they are age 7 or start 7th grade. These reports are due by October 1st, or within 15 days of moving during the school year, or when you withdraw a child from public school. Parents who teach their own children are automatically qualified, but anyone else teaching a child must have certain qualifications, such as having a teacher's license or a bachelor's degree. I recommend using HSLDA's member-exclusive Minnesota reporting forms to ensure that you don't miss anything important. On our website, you will also find what subjects Minnesota requires you to teach. Keeping good records is important for any homeschool parent, and Minnesota law specifically requires that you maintain documentation indicating that the required subjects are being taught and proof that the tests required have been administered. This documentation must include class schedule, copies of materials used for instruction, and descriptions of methods used to assess student achievement. Unless you've signed up with a Homeschool Accrediting Association, Minnesota law requires that parents administer a nationally norm-referenced standardized achievement test every year to each child. The results are not submitted, but if a child scores at or below the 30th percentile, or one full grade below children of the same age, the law requires that the child be evaluated for learning difficulties. If you have specific questions about homeschooling in Minnesota, I'd invite you to consider joining HSLDA. As a member, you'll have access to our dedicated legal team, who can give you personalized advice and help you understand how the law applies to your situation. Thanks for watching, and happy homeschooling!